Hello gold prospecting teams. Here a short walk through my new spot. Here behind the rock and in front of the rock, and here in a small river I should take some testing.
Here you can see another perspective from the spot. I guess there's loaded with heavies. Here in front of the rock you see a calm zone, and behind you see a huge calm zone. There I have to look if there are some heavies. I'm looking forward to go in the water. Okay, I must go in the water. I'm looking forward for the gold.
Here you can see a low pressure zone in front and behind. I must try with the Henderson pump.
Here you see the gravel layer. But we aren't allowed to touch this. But maybe we can find here some heavies. I guess, look at this. Okay, I guess here in front and behind and between I should dig for some heavies, cause it's high tide. I guess it's a in bench, right? And here I guess it catches, it slows down the water and catches some heavies, maybe a few flakes of gold. I have to try it. And here again, and I guess here it's all on the water at high tide, and maybe I find some. Look at this pond. It's on the inside bench and it goes down, and maybe here slows the heavies and they go down.
So gold prospecting fans, what do you think about the 3 spots here? I want to try it with Henderson pump and with Green Mountain Gold Trap with electric pump. So we should see it very soon, because it's very cold here and I'm not happy to go into the water. But nevertheless, I'm looking forward to show it to you. What do you think about the spots? Have you some better ideas, or can you agree with my decision? Have a nice Sunday and happy hunting. Bye bye. Also liebe Goldwaschfreunde, kurz auf Deutsch. Seid ihr denn zufrieden mit meiner Auswahl der nächsten Spots? Ich muss mir ja was überlegen, denn so im kalten Wasser zu stehen ist ja jetzt nicht mehr das Größte an Spaß, was man haben kann. Ich hoffe, ihr könnt mir zustimmen, wie ich das vorhabe, und ich wünsche euch einen schönen Sonntag. Alles Gute. Happy hunting for gold.